Hi guys, just did a video where I put fresh batteries in this wand. No idea where the wand comes from, but that reminded me I've got another one of my grandson's Harry Potter wands here that needs mending. It's been glued back together once already, so I guess I'll have to try and do the same thing that I did last time with the other one, which is drill a hole down inside and put a little wire strengthener up the middle. So that's what I will try and do. See if I can drill down in there and insert a wire spike. I think the battery's run down on my little drill here. I'll just try and align that and see how that looks. Alright, just using this nail that happens to be the right diameter. We've got quite an angle on there. Yeah, it doesn't look very neat at the moment, so I'm going to adjust that. So we can glue it together. That looks to me, I need to open that up. My idea is I'm going to use the dust and super glue to help it all align. Because you can see I'm just aligning this by eye. It needs to be over a bit that way. I'll keep working on this and then we'll come back later. Right, I've made it a fairly loose fit in there so we can wobble it around a bit to get it to line up and fill it with super glue at the same time. So I'll put a little bit of powder on there before I put the super glue in. I think I'll glue that end in first. Yeah, I'll glue that in first and then put some powder in there and super glue at the same time. Right, that one's glued in place. I'll tap some, I was going to say sawdust, some of the dust, drill dust back in there. So hopefully that will sort of gum up the works a bit when we stick it together. Right. Need to rub that down a little bit, but we don't want to rub it down too much, because this is painted green on the outside and we're not going to match that. I said that last time about the cream coloured one that I repaired, and that's the truth. You're just never going to match it. You'd have to do the whole thing again with a different colour. Does that look straight? Looks pretty straight. Finished. It's not actually perfectly straight. And you can obviously see the join. I have cleaned it up a bit. I'd rather he remembered that he broke it. It's important to know that things break and can't always be fixed perfectly. Still, job done. I don't remember, or I don't know whose one this is. I'll have to ask him, or you can put it in the comments and tell me. And if you can identify that one, that's maybe nothing to do with Harry Potter. It just happens to be a magic wand. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.